Want to create this effect? It's easier than its look. Create a fusion composition. Switch to Fusion. Add a text node. Enter the text and choose the font and size. Right-click inside the text field and select Follower. Go to the Modifiers tab, then Shading. Move to begin of the clip, set opacity value to 0. Add keyframe. Go to frame 10 and increase the value to 1. Next, move to frame 3 and scroll down to Softness tab. Set X and Y values to 20 and add keyframes. Move 10 frames forward and reduce the values to 0. Go to the Timing tab and set the delay, in my case is 2. Open Spline and smooth the animation. Switch to Edit page and add video to the first track. In the Effects page, add Gaussian blur. Move 5 frames before the text appears, and in Effects section in Inspector reduce the effect value to 0. Set a keyframe. Move 10 frames forward and increase the blur almost. To learn more about the capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget subscribe to channel.